In this specific video, I'm going to teach you how to make a payment link and then add it to your pitch page. So what you need to do is go to clickbank.com, go to the help center, and then type in the words creating a payment link. Click on enter, scroll down, and then you're going to see a link about bottom of the page, creating a payment link. Now the reason why I want to go here is because Clickbank provides you with buttons that you can use on your site. So you can use any of these links if you want to. As you can notice, I already have a link here, but you can use these images if you want to. So you don't really have to, but they're there if you want to. Now, in order to add this to this page, and I'll show you how to do this, you can use this image if you want, but you have the option to add these too. Let's say that what I want to do is I want to add this here to this page. What I do is I right click, save image as, and I want to figure out what location as to where I want to save the files. So I'm going to save the files to a specific location. I'm going to go to my WYSIWYG editor tool, and I'm going to go scroll down all the way to the bottom where the payment button should be, and I'm going to put it here. Click on image, and then find the image location, and as you can see, it's right here. Click it, click open, click OK, and that's it. So I can use this if I want to, but I'm going to delete it. And now what I need to do is turn this into a link. Because right now if I save it and I go here and I refresh the page, as you can see when I refresh the page that you see this link, but it's not clickable. I need to make it into a payment link. And I haven't done that yet. It's really easy to do. If you go here and you scroll up, it shows you the payment link right here. Now you can disregard everything here. All you need is this link here. But you need the item number here. So for example, the item number that I used was item number 35, and under the recurring income part. What I want to do is basically highlight this, right click and click on copy. The vendor is your ID. So what I want to do is go back here to my WYSIWYG editor tool, scroll down all the way to the button, click on the button, click on link, and then copy this here. What you want to do now is basically change this data to that specific number. So for those of you that are getting started, it's probably going to be number 1, and then you're going to change this to your vendor. So whatever your vendor is, change this, and once you're done, click OK. Now I haven't actually enabled the product yet, so when I click on this link, it goes to this form that says it's not for sale or disabled or whatever. So I haven't actually set it up to work yet. So, and you'll see this if your product is not approved yet. So I haven't actually activated the product yet. But now we know that at least it's working. So once we're done with that, what I've done here is I've made the payment link. I've added the image to the page, and I've added to the pitch page, and we're done. In the next video, I'm going to upload this file through FTP to an actual site, and I'm going to show you how to do that.